I'm Lavanya. I'm a parent of a child with autism. He was diagnosed by four and a half. Really speaking, I wanted a diagnosis because till that time I was meeting couple of doctors and even special educators by chance, but I couldn't exactly get any perspective as to how to go about or what is actually the reason why the child is behaving or why is there a delay and all those things. When I pitched in, things became very different. Because till that time there were people to take care. I mean, he was sent to a special educator, and my mother was there to take care of him. I mean, the general needs, but still the real intervention didn't happen. Only when I went in, then I was really shocked when when I tried to interact with him. He was just blank, nothing more interaction, and I couldn't know what exactly I could do to help him out. Then with the special educator support, I should be really grateful for her. She is Mrs. Lakshmi in Chennai. So she was actually literally guiding me, because every day I used to sit along with him, and then literally she used to guide me as to how to go about, particularly with the communication aspect. The first aim was that somehow my son Kedar has to communicate with what all. I mean, there are different things I tried with him, but whatever I tried, I kept in my mind that the goal is communication. After he was going to a regular school, and when he came back, he could collect everything. I mean, all his frustrations or irritations, and then he came home, and then he used to draw on the paper. I mean, he wants to hit somebody, he wants to scold the teacher or whatever. I mean, the bus or whatever. Then he used to literally draw. Of course, it was a very kind of scribbling kind, but still, he could communicate through the paper and the drawing. That's when I realized that this communication is not just speaking or telling something or pointing out something, but it could be more than that. So that's when the drawing and the expressing through the drawing came off. So from then, I literally used to communicate with him with drawings. So I used to put one figure, mama and Kedar, and then we used to have a comic strip conversation with him, particularly when he was upset, what has to be done. So all these things and many more, it all happened because of the drawing actually. We used to have very interesting sessions. It was again suggested by the special educator herself. We used to have a role play session every night, maybe after dinner. We used to have a role play where Kedar, my younger son, and myself, we used to have one theme, I mean one small story, be it even a crow and a fox or kind of, and then we used to enact, and then we used to change the roles every day. I mean, one day a crow, one day a fox, like that. So this kind of small interaction and then understanding came, and I mean, every little intervention that happened literally at home, that had made lot of change. So every time, even I say that wherever you go, whatever the intervention happens, but most and crucial intervention happens at home.